Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the most shortest and fastest way to install Python packages. So today we are going to be installing Pygame, Kivy and OpenCV. So before we get started, I have something which is useful for you. I know you're an absolute beginner in Python, and this tutorial membership will take you from an absolute beginner to an intermediate level and will also get you to be familiar with Python for just only $5 a month. And users will gain the benefit of a free tutorial for beginners and mentorship for 1 full month. Beginners will be able to code with Python freely. Beginners will be able to make better Python projects. Beginners will be familiar with Python programming language, and from beginner to intermediate. Just 5 benefits for $5 only. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to join right now. So the link is at the description below. So let's get started. Hi, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I upload videos, YouTube videos, Python tutorial every week for you to gain the best content and upgrade your skills in learning Python. So let's get started with our main work. So now what we are going to do now, we are going to install Pygame, Kivy, packages and OpenCV. So here, instead, the usual way, whenever we want to install all these packages, we will just go to command prompt. Let me open command prompt. Yeah, we just go right, we just write pip install, for example, maybe Pygame or open CV or maybe Kivy. Instead, no, I don't want to install it now because if I start installing it now, it is going to start installing the packages, but I don't want to use command prompt. So I want to show you the most fastest and shortest way of doing it, instead of you by using Pycharm. If you have a Pycharm application, instead of you just going to pip install, right, or any packages you want to install. So let me show you how to do it, the fastest and shortest way to do it. So we are going to go like this. First of all, click on file, go to settings, then click on your project, your current project, which mine is YouTube tutorial. Then go to Python interpreter. When you go to Python interpreter, here are the packages that I have installed I've installed, like, for example, some of them CV, some of them NumPy, something like Climate and all this stuff. So here's what we are going to do first. For you to be able to install it directly from Pycharm application, go to this on here, go to Python, click on this settings icon here at this Python interpreter, click on add your base interpreter. Make sure you direct your base interpreter directly to python.exe. Normally it's usually default and you don't really need to, this one is not really important, but usually if you must make sure that your base interpreter is directed to this python.exe. exactly. If it's not, then you just go here and search for the python.exe file, then you connect it to the base interpreter. So that's your first step. Your second step now, let's try to make a Pygame let's try to make let me copy a script, a Pygame script. Okay, let me paste it now. It's showing an error now. The error is that we don't have Pygame we don't have Pygame package or module. The module is not there. No module named Pygame. It's showing here. So here's what we're going. Let me try and run it. See, the error is saying file blah 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 line 6 in module import Pygame. Module not found error. No module named Pygame. So here's what we are going to do now. We are going to install Pygame. We come to these Python packages here. Go down here to these Python packages here. Then write Pygame. Yeah, click on the Pygame. Then yeah, it has loaded now. Now click install. You will have to just wait for it to install. So let's wait for it to install now. So let's just keep waiting. So it will soon install. So alright, it's going. Yeah, it has installed now. It has installed the. Okay, still installing. Okay, yes, it installed packages Pygame packages installed successfully. So here's what we are going to do now. It's no longer showing the error again. So let's run it now. Let's run the Pygame script. Just one simple game like that. We just move this dot all around. So that's for Pygame. We are done with Pygame module. Now we've installed Pygame. So let's move to Kivy. First of all, let me copy a script of Kivy here, right over here. Let me just go here like this, copy, and I would paste a Kivy. If you don't know what is Kivy is a kind of package. It's a kind of package used in building applications like games or kind of apps for mobile phones, and whether iOS or any kind. That's what that's one of the uses of Kivy, to build better application. It's a package used to build better application. So now we've pasted a Kivy script. You see it's showing error now. Kivy error. It looks like as if we've not installed the module. No module named Kivy. Let's run it. It's going to show the same error. No module named Kivy. So instead of us doing like this, another shortcut way to do, instead of us going directly and say, oh, then I'll just go to Python packages and write Kivy. You just click on this. You go here. This Kivy, you just click install package Kivy. Click install. Right here, you see down here installing package Kivy. So it's installed now. It has successfully installed now. You have to wait for this error to go. Yeah, it's gone. So let's run it. It's opening. Hello world. So this is the Kivy. This is how to install Kivy package. So let's go to the final one, which is OpenCV. OpenCV. Let's talk about this. OpenCV is a package that is used to install is a package that is being used to make to create a machine learning application or AI, artificial intelligence, or any kind of stuff. So let's install OpenCV too. We are just going to go here and type OpenCV. You can do anyhow you want to do, or you just have to, the way I showed you around this Kivy, where you just click on the Kivy error and just install it directly. So let's just install the OpenCV application. Just write OpenCV Python. Let's install. We are waiting for it to install. Yeah, it has successfully installed. So that's how to install Pygame, Kivy, and OpenCV. Thanks for watching. Please, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Every weekly videos that will just keep watching, keep waiting for every weekly videos I'll keep uploading. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.